Now I am going to explain the derivation of this. So you can see here, और ये derivation एग्जाम्स में आता भी है. This is a very simple derivation of two lines. Electric field intensity due to a point charge. To see here, now see here. Here we have to determine the electric intensity due to a charge Q situated at the point O. Due to a charge Q situated at the point O at a distance R from it at the point P. Point P पर intensity चाहिए. So we will assume a test charge at point P. Let it is Q naught. It is Q naught. Other things of the test charge are already understood. That क्योंकि जैसे ही हम test charge लिखेंगे, it means that charge is infinitesimally small and it is positively charged. It's clear. So see here, force acting on Q naught due to Q. Who can tell what is the force acting on Q naught due to Q? Now, all of you tell. Akshat Chauhan, Akshita Singh.
Sir, towards right.
What will be the magnitude of that force? You tell me that. Force का magnitude कितना होगा? आकृति. What will be the magnitude of the? तुम लोगों ने कूलम्बियन फोर्स पढ़ा है, फोर्स बिटवीन टू पॉइंट चार्जेज.
यस सर. यस.
कितना होगा कार्तिकेय बताएं.
सर k q1 q2 by r square.
It will be 1/4 pi epsilon naught q into q naught upon r square. This will be the magnitude of the force. It's clear. What will be the force acting on q naught because of q? It will be given by this. So from definition of electric field, what will be E? E कितना होगा? F upon q naught. Now you find out F upon q naught. So what will be F upon q naught? Q naught को इधर ले आए. So it will be 1/4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square. Means what is the electric field? It is 1/4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square. It's clear. This is the formula of electric field. Now see here, how will you write it in vector form? This into unit vector r. Into unit vector r. It's clear. What is unit vector r? Just like in the Coulombian force, unit vector along the line joining point and point charge. जिस पॉइंट पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फाइंड आउट करनी है उसको पॉइंट चार्ज से मिलाने वाली लाइन के अलावा. Now today I am going to explain you next topic. First I will explain electric dipole and electric dipole moment. But before that, you see, if you have to determine electric intensity due to the group of point charges. Electric field intensity due to group of point charges. You have to find the electric field intensity due to the group of point charges. Is clear? How will you find out this? So as we know that E is a vector quantity, and vector quantity, so it will be the sum of the vector sum of the electric field due to all the point charges. Means you can see here. Suppose there is at this point a 5 coulomb charge is placed and here minus 7 coulomb charge is placed. And you have to determine the electric field at the point A. You have to find the net electric field at the point A. So see here, what will you do? First of all, you will find the electric field due to these point charges at A. इन दोनों के कारण A पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कितनी है और किस डायरेक्शन में है ये फाइंड आउट. कितनी ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं और किस डायरेक्शन में कर रहे हैं. तो बताओ, ये वाला चार्ज +5 कूलम चार्ज ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड किस डायरेक्शन में प्रोड्यूस करेगा? Who can tell?
Sir, away from itself.
Away from positive charge. एरो कहां से स्टार्ट करेंगे? जिस पॉइंट पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड हमको फाइंड आउट करना है. फ्रॉम वेयर यू विल बिगिन द एरो, फ्रॉम वेयर यू विल स्टार्ट द एरो. एरो की स्टार्टिंग उस पॉइंट से होती है जिस पॉइंट पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फाइंड आउट करना है. डायरेक्शन एरो की किधर होगी? इट विल बी अवे फ्रॉम द सोर्स चार्ज अगर सोर्स चार्ज पॉजिटिव है. इट विल बी टुवर्ड्स द सोर्स चार्ज अगर सोर्स चार्ज क्या है? निगेटिव. हमको कहां पर फाइंड आउट करना है? ए पर. तो एरो की स्टार्टिंग कहां से करेंगे? ए से. Because of this, it will be in what direction? In this direction. That you can name EP. What will be due to C? What will be the direction due to C? बोले, C के कारण क्या होगा?
Towards C.
Towards C means किस तरफ होगा? Now see here, what will be the value of EB? अगर हमको EB की वैल्यू निकालनी हो तो कितना हो जाएगा? 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट. Q कितना है? 5. डिस्टेंस कितनी है? AB स्क्वायर. जो भी वैल्यू दी रहेगी लिख लीजिए. What will be due to C? बोले मेधा सिंह. मेधा, गौरी मिश्रा, सभी लोग सो रहे हैं. लगता है गौरी मिश्रा भी सो ही रही. इस प्रतीक्षा, what will be EC?
1/4 pi epsilon naught 7/AC square.
1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट 7 की -7.
7.
7 वैल्यू केवल रखी जाएगी, माइनस प्लस केवल ओनली फॉर डिटरमाइनिंग द डायरेक्शन, माइनस एंड प्लस आर ओनली फॉर डिटरमाइनिंग द डायरेक्शन। सो 7 अपॉन AC स्क्वायर। अब ये हमको पता होगा इनके मैग्नीट्यूड, इनके डायरेक्शन, ये एंगल हम पता कर लें। सो व्हाट विल द नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, हमको मालूम है क्या फार्मूला है, EB स्क्वायर प्लस EC स्क्वायर प्लस 2EB इंटू EC इंटू cos theta. By using this formula, you can find the magnitude. It is clear? So, what is the electric field intensity due to the group of point charges? It will be the vector sum of the electric field produced due to the individual charges. Vector sum of the electric field produced due to the individual charges. I समझे? इस तरीके से फाइंड आउट करेंगे, मतलब किसी पॉइंट पर नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड क्या होगी, इट विल बी द वेक्टर सम ऑफ E1 प्लस E2 प्लस E3 प्लस एंड सो ऑन, this way you will find out. This is clear? Now see here.
Yes, sir.
Now we will find out the first we will see electric dipoles. Dipole means two poles. Dipole means two charges, 2-point charge. Here dipole means 2-point charges. So what is electric dipole? It is a system of two equal and opposite point charges separated at some distance apart from each other. Separated at some small distance. Distance should not be very large. A small distance apart from each other. Means dipole is consisting two equal and opposite charges, point charges, separated at a very small distance. And this small distance is represented by the symbol 2L. 2L represents the distance between both charges of dipole. And it is very small. It is of the order of millimeter, even micrometer. It is of the order of millimeter or micrometer. 2L is very small distance. It's clear? Means here, this is a minus Q charge. There is another charge plus Q. And they are separated by a very small distance from each other. They are separated by a very small distance from each other. This constitutes the electric dipole. Suppose एक क्या हो, -5 कूलम का चार्ज हो, दूसरा +5 कूलम का चार्ज हो, और दोनों के बीच का सेपरेशन क्या हो, 100 सेंटीमीटर का हो. Whether they are dipole? No, they are not dipole. ये dipole नहीं है. In the dipole, there is condition that the distance between both the point charges is very small. It is infinitesimally small. It's clear? So this is a system of two equal and opposite point charges separated at a very small distance from each other. Now see here. How will you express it numerically? So electric dipole, it can be expressed by electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment. In short, we write EDPM. EDPM, electric dipole moment. What is its symbol? Its symbol is P. It is a vector quantity. So see here, ये electric dipole moment कितने के बराबर है? What is the magnitude of electric dipole moment? You can see here. This is minus Q, this is plus Q. Electric dipole moment is equal to Q into 2A. One of the charge multiplied by distance between them. One of the charge multiplied by distance between them. What will be the direction of EDPM? So it will be along line joining both charges from negative charge to positive charge. From negative charge to the positive charge means it will be this. This will be the direction of vector P. It's clear? How will you write it in vector form? So vector P equals to Q into 2L multiplied by unit vector R. What is unit vector R? It is unit vector in this direction. Unit vector along the line joining charge. Unit vector along line joining charge. So